Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today, it's the 4th of July weekend. Filming this a day or so before. Sorry if it's so shaky, I don't have my tripod with me here. Just want to give you a little channel update. This is going to be the video in lieu of my Sunday live stream. Didn't want to take up anybody's family time or holiday time there, so we're just going to do a little quick video here. Give you an update on what's going on in the shop and what's coming up on the channel, so stick tight. Alright y'all, I'm going to start out with my Cub Cadet, the 1200. Still have the clutch out of it. I've got everything I need to get back on that, but some other stuff has come up. I had to get on working on that, and got that stuff done, so we're going to be getting back on that. Yeah, I've got tools and stuff everywhere. If you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook and stuff, you may have seen this already. This is my little Mitsubishi 3-cylinder diesel. Don't know what the project's going to be for that. First off, we're going to get it running. It does spin over, but we need to get it fired up and make sure she's going to run before we decide anything to do with it. Moving on to the next thing is Plan B, my pulling tractor. Still got to move the front end on it. We're going to get it moved forward. I'm going to take the intake and carburetor off my old engine, put on this, because this has a Mikuni flat slide carburetor on it right now, and technically that is not legal for our area to run, so we're going to switch it over, put that carburetor on it. We've got a donated Craftsman push mower here, self-propelled and everything, no spark, so we got to get on that. We got another push mower sitting outside, no run. I believe it's just going to be a carburetor issue with that. And let's see. We'll get you over here on the other side and I'll show you what else is going on. Alright y'all, I know it's been a while on this one too. This is Twisted V Twins Pro Mod engine. We got it back from the machine shop a little bit ago. Been waiting on some parts. You guys haven't seen, I did shoot some video on adjusting the cam and crank end play. Finally got the parts to finish that. We got an oil pump, so as soon as we get that done, we can seal up the bottom half of the engine, and we can move up to the top half and get getting the rockers and everything all installed properly. Get the flywheel on it, get the crank trigger on it, carbon intake, and that should be just about it. And we can dump some oil and some fuel in her and hopefully fire her off and listen to this beast run. Like I said, there's just been a lot of stuff going on here behind the scenes with my regular job and other stuff that I don't video, but yeah, we're working on her, but we are definitely making some progress, and it's it's just been an up and down roller coaster. So let me look around here and make sure we ain't got any other projects that's sitting in the wings that needs to be done. And yes, if you can tell by my workbench, it has been a whirlwind in here. Just lots of tools, lots of stuff everywhere. There's the carbon intake I'm going to put on. I may try that carburetor first with that intake, but I know that one works, so we're trying to decide if that one's a good carb or not, so we may try that one first. But you know, if you guys can see there, yeah, but yeah, that's where we're at on that. If anybody feels like coming over and help me clean the shop up, come on over, you know, I'll take the help. So alright, let's move on to the next thing. And we got the Craftsman that we did the exhaust on. I believe I mentioned it in one of my videos or something along the lines that the guy gave it to me. He ended up that he just wanted to buy a new mower, so he gave it to me, and it works beautifully fine. Nothing wrong with it. I've been actually cutting my grass with it while my mower's been down. As soon as I get mine back up and running, we'll test run it. Try it a couple times. If it works good, we'll probably finish cleaning this thing up, clean the deck up really nice, and it'll probably be up for sale. So there's that thing. My engine, my tractor, not Plan B, my original one, it's back over in that corner, kind of tucked away. Plans on it, I'm going to build the engine for it. Just don't know what direction we're going to go with it, cubic inch wise, everything. So that's coming up, hopefully this fall, winter, so we can have it for next year. But like I said, it just trying to decide on what direction we want to go with it, whether we want to leave it just the regular modified, or if we want to go with like a stock altered for national scale, or not. Don't know yet, so we're working on it. So alright, y'all, I think that's gonna do it. We're gonna call it a day out here. I've been out here on and off the day working on some stuff. Like I said, I just wanted to get a quick video out, tell you guys what's been going on here. Still have other customer stuff coming in, working on that, and just trying to get some stuff done. Got to pay the bills, you know. Can't turn away customer equipment and stuff like that. I haven't been as busy as I have been in the past. It's just some of the stuff is taking longer to get it parts in and stuff, so it's actually taking longer, and it takes up shop room. So I can't, I don't leave anything sit outside. I did say there was a push mower outside that will be coming in here shortly. I just needed a little room to move, but yeah, so that's gonna do it. Hope you all had a great, safe holiday weekend. Hope you enjoyed the fireworks and everything, or going to enjoy the fireworks, depending on when your area is having them. Hope you like fireworks, because I like fireworks. So anyways, I'm rambling. We'll catch you all on the next one. Don't forget about my normal weekly live stream, 7 p.m. Sunday. We'll continue that next week. Hopefully, maybe if it's not too hot or whatever, maybe we'll do it from out here in the shop. Give you guys a little live Q&A. Whatever happens to go on, you know, stuff like that. Please, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, just hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, get all the notifications. And if you really like the channel and you've been following it for a while, please consider joining the channel, become a member, support what's going on here, help get more projects done and more in and out. I'm working on new channel stickers, waiting for artwork and stuff. Little sneak peek. I found a company that possibly can do t-shirts, hats, promotional stuff, merch gear. I'm just trying to find a place that I can do it and keep it economical for you guys. Teespring and a bunch of them other ones, they're great companies, don't get me wrong. I like their merchandise and stuff. I just don't feel right about charging my viewers, my subscribers, $25 or more for a t-shirt or a hat or stuff like that. You know, $10 for a coffee mug. I don't know what the cut is that they take. I'm sure it's substantial, but I'm trying to get a lower price so you guys can get the stuff in your hands and help me promote the channel. I'm not looking to make $15 on a $25 shirt. You know, if I could have them set the price lower and make my cut smaller and their cut, you know, what they would normally take, I would do it in a heartbeat. But that's not possible. They kind of set the price of what the price is. So watch out for that. Hopefully in another month or so that may come to fruition. course, that'll be another thing on my list of things to do to, you know, get merch and pass it, you know, get it packaged up and sent out. So I may actually need some help doing some of this stuff. So anyways, I'm rambling. Love y'all. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.